Hey everyone, Joe back with Grill Joe's Barbecue, and today we got the new Monument Grill's Mesa 400. We're gonna break this bad boy open. We're gonna put it together and we're gonna get a cook on it. So let's get it open. That's pretty simple. Now, let's get it put together. Woo! Look at that. Alright guys, for the first cook on the Mesa 400, beautiful steak skewers. We're gonna get these thrown on. I also got some burgers and brats inside. So I want to get these guys on first. I got about medium heat across. Oh yeah. Just gonna get these things dropped right on there. I really like that there is an open window here where you can see what you're cooking in there, and so far it's working perfect. Since there's so much room, I'll throw some of these big old brats on the top rack. Really want to get some sear on these, and then I'll end up putting them on the top rack to finish cooking, and then I'll throw some hamburgers on. It's been a long time since I've cooked on a gas grill. I don't know the last time I owned one, maybe in college, but the ease of just firing it up and it's ready to go, it's hard to beat that. Of course, I got my Athletic Brewing Company. This is the light copper. It is fantastic, NA beer, link in the description. Since I got all this space, I'm going to throw these burgers on the side. Just some pre-made, going easy today since I made the Kabobs up. And of course some Cosmos SPG. Another nice thing I like about the propane, when I'm done, I can just kick all these burners up to high and let this thing just get cooking 600 degrees. It's gonna burn off anything that's left in there, make cleanup super easy, super simple for the next time I'm ready to cook. So I've gotten some good coloring on these. I'm liking how they're looking, how that meat's looking on there, so I'm gonna move up to the top rack just to finish them off without the direct flame on them. Go ahead and kill those 2 side burners because I got nothing cooking on that side. Alright guys, check it out. Look how good that looks. I got the rest of them just finishing off in there. Those ones that were a little bit bigger skewers, a little bit more on them. We're gonna give this one a try though. I marinated that steak overnight. That is fantastic. Hard to beat that. Just letting those big guys finish up a little bit. These ones were a little bit thicker on the steak. So making sure those are cooked all the way. I did bring my trusty thermopen out, easy for those quick temperature grabs. About 130 across them, but these small pieces of meat, I think they're gonna be good. I'll finish up my last little bite here. Just something about flame kissed. You can tell where the flame was hitting it on those flare-ups. So much flavor. We'll get these pulled off. Those look awesome. These guys are bursting with flavor. Pull those off. Now I'm gonna kick these all up to max. I'm gonna shut my lid down, let that thing get piping hot and burn off all the stuff. And that is an awesome, easy dinner. I haven't cooked on one of these in forever, but I've kind of missed how easy it is, and it tastes great. So we're gonna go inside and eat. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.